It's critically important. It's safe to say that it's the most important day in our year.
Planning for that day started nearly a year ago.
Puppies on set, guys?
Now, director Jake Scott's team is once again bringing the vision to life.
What are you hoping for this year?
Better.
Perhaps the greatest challenge, showcasing the connection between puppy and horse when they don't always want to connect.
Let's roll, please.
But they'll spend as much time as it takes to get that one shot. When the crew reacts like this, they know. Connection complete. For Today, Joe Fryer, NBC News, Thousand Oaks, California.
Let's see it. Here's the exclusive premiere of the Super Bowl commercial, PuppyLove.
The sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when